Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know that I'm 2 months late, but I owe you guys a video. So here I am with the update on the X-Clean Pore Vacuum Suction Remover, whatever it is. You see according to the title what it is. So yes, here I am. So if you've been keeping up with my channel, you know that I tried the X-Clean Pore Suction Vacuum and it went terribly wrong. My skin was left red AF. I'm not sure if it was bruising or I don't know exactly what it was, but I think we can all agree that my skin was just irritated. And unfortunately for me, the redness actually stayed for 5 days and it only got better after day 2, only because I started applying aloe vera gel to it and ice. So the day I recorded the video was actually my first and last time using the device, but I'm going to talk to you guys about how my skin was feeling in the following days. So when I tell you guys, redness aside, that my skin never looked as terrible as the 3 days after using it. I've never seen anything like that. So the device is supposed to really smooth out your skin and make it look all glowy and better and stuff like that. Clearly it wasn't looking glowy because of the redness. And second of all, my skin was really I guess the tone would be rough. It just felt really rough and it had a lot of textures and stuff like that. I didn't like how my skin was looking, and to be very honest with you guys, it's been the worst my skin has looked in probably 2 to 3 years. Ever since I got off of Accutane, my skin has never looked that bad ever. Matter of fact, my skin actually looks better just with my regular skincare routine. On the flip side, I did get some DMs on Instagram from people who watched my video saying that probably what went wrong is that my skin was dry. That could very well be the case, but I know that from my side, I just followed the instructions. So I did cleanse my skin, steam, and then use the device as instructed. But maybe what happened is probably my cleanser removed all the dirt on my face already, so there was nothing for the suction to I guess grab and suck out. That could very well be the case. I don't know. Low-key, I'm too traumatized to try again. So if you want to find out for yourself, you're gonna have to buy it because I'm not doing it. So to sum it all up, only 1 out of the 5 probes they gave you did not irritate my skin. The redness took almost a week to go away. I did see some dirt on the probe, so I guess the device does work. But to conclude, would I say that I recommend the device to anybody? Hell no. What's the saying? I think the saying is it costs to be cheap or something like that. If it's not, then I just made it up running my coins if you use it. No, just something. Let me tell you, it's not worth spending $18 only for your skin to look terrible for the next 5 to 7 days. So I would just suggest for you to just save money if it's too expensive for you, but just save the money and go to a professional whenever you want to clean out your skin, because that X-Clean or that pore suction vacuum from Amazon is not it. Well, in my experience, is not it. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section what you thought of it. If you tried it, let me know how it went. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I almost forgot, subscribe to the channel.